Hello, what's up, fam? Back again. Got another project for you. Baby girl was digging into some new projects, wanting to start sewing and stuff like that. And we just moved from our house to a little smaller apartment. Bedroom that we live in right now is kind of dark, and she wasn't able to pursue, her goals of learning how to sew with the new sewing machine because too damn dark. So what I did was, funds being short, I just went through my little collection of stuff that I gathered from different projects that I did before, grabbed some old LEDs and a couple of pieces of piping and everything. Did some research on YouTube to figure out how to put it all together, and I made her a desk lamp, something that was suitable for the projects that she want to work on without getting in the way. I think I did all right. Kind of proud of it because I just kind of put it together at the last minute as soon as I got off work yesterday. So I hope you like it. Got it off of the main structure. I got it off of a YouTube link that I'll put in the description, so y'all can check that out later. Till then, watch the rest of the video. You can see how I kind of put it together. Hope you like it. God bless. Have a good weekend. Peace.